Hello friends on Motor News, I am Tomas and today I want to introduce you Aprilia super friendly sport bike RS 660 and also RS 660 but limited edition, said the motorcycle manufacturer, released to celebrate its victories. Super friendly because it's not really super sport despite its brutal look. By the way, it's very good for beginner riders. By beginners, I don't mean bikers who are just starting to learn how to ride a motorcycle. It is more about the racers who have already been able to conquer the fierce look with motorcycles. Today, as I mentioned, we have the Aprilia RS 660 and its twin, the Aprilia 660 Limited. Believe me friends, there is almost no difference between these two motorcycles. As for the motorcycle that was raced, I mean Aprilia's limited edition, the racing version was a completely different motorcycle, super sporty in character and not as friendly as this version you see on your screen, the caricature of that racing bike. So says the civilian version. Aprilia equipped these specific bikes with quite dynamic engines. Their power is 100 horsepower at 10,500 rpm, and as for the torque, here we have 67 at 8,500 rpm, and all this is a 659cc engine. To tell the truth, I like the previous generation motorcycle of this model. It was painted with the best quality paint. It looks quite brutal. So friends, thanks for your attention. I am Tomas and you always find interesting videos on my channel. See you!